family niya, parents.
Especially
No, not. Kasi kung makaklaim naman kayo ng dating, parang, pwede ko idikit nyo lang ako dito sa wayan. Wala pang ganun. We just go out. And it's nothing so, parang ginagawang sobrang big deal. It's two people who are single. We hang out, we have fun with friends. So I don't see anything so spectacular na sobrang
About naman dun sa isa mo pang former boyfriend, si JM recently posted his cover of When I Was Your Man on Instagram. Would you like to react? Actually, matagal na yung cover yun, pero recently ni-repost on Instagram. Would you like to react?
Pero
Do you think it's
Jessie,
directed para sa'yo?
I wouldn't like to react.
Are you friends?
Next question.
Jessie,
try
do
and
you,
reach out to JM naman? Do you try and reach out or
His parents still talk to me.
pero do you think Luis is a boyfriend material?
sandal mo lang?
He's even husband material.
Wow. May ganung level na agad,
No,
Jessie.
really kayo. Pag tinanong ko kayo, ano sa tingin mo?
Friend.
Ha? Siyempre, ikaw hindi.
Pero alam mo, Jessie, kasi parang si Luis yata going there na siya sa medyo mas stable relationship na kung sino man yung makakarelasyon na susunod, yun ay mapapangasawa niya. Are you ready in the next 2 or 3 years, mga ganyan? If ever lang naman na maging kayo.
I don't know. We'll see. I'm just taking one step at a time. I'm taking day by day. So I am really setting out all my options right now, and my work right now is doing great. So I don't think we should. Let's talk about it when I get there. Kumbaga sa ngayon, kung ano yung meron ako ngayon, ito yung gusto ko. Which is...